Hello, Mzani. RSA was performing at a gig. Aroga Mener Liburu. Mener Liburu came to the stage. I met Hagatlapa. I don't know if this is staged or not. Mener Liburu is an African Silokompo singer. He made a song, Nelly Master the Beat. Malawa Kiboni Tsaka dirile video saying he does not approve of this genre ya African Silokompo. I saw this video as well where bana babali skolong ba praise Tsaka. So Mzansi, I get as a country now we have accepted or Tsaka can create content abe busy aroge batho. So let's makala go sasa bana ba lena ba le botsa gore langga ale fresh wana ba ne mereba swele le nyoko. So to influence a public, it's a small thing. I also remember the time Shebesheto was coming into the entertainment industry. Parents were complaining, say that Shebeshet is a negative influence towards their kids, or tattoo, and so forth. So to influence kids, it's a simple thing. So they know Tsaka, they are aware ka content ya bona. So go sa se batla ba le busy ba roga batho ba ra fresh wangga bona ba ne meriba bona ba ne le swele
bona wena Mener Liburu bona wena koshele nsho wena Mener Liburu wena Mener Liburu o ntsha koshele le Master Beat Africans le re ke Muruskonto twat bona mara wena Nelly a re ntshikosha tsa Africans a ke ra sona mkhotsa buzini malo a le ntshikosha tsa Africans bona le kompa ke la ka go laola nna le ngwa ke tsa koshe ya le Africans le ka opela le kompa ka Africans Muruskonto wena Mener Liburu o rute bana wena Nelly wa o tja bana o ja bo Mener o re o ntsha dikosha le bona ba go di amba go patala gore fokala boka tsentse Mener ka ra go sha wena Mener o wa le ba re ke Muruskonto ja go nkgalangwa a go ntole ka ntia tletse ka gang wena Nelly o thoma go opela nna o dila nna dikosha fela go nwa jongwa ke o ngwana wena ibile o fresh o thoma go dila nna wena kholape ya go o mona to go ene le nna malena go nkga go bona a le fresh lena
Hey,